This tutorial will explain asset property editors and the revision system. Double-clicking an asset in the MediaStorm browser will show the asset property editors. This is the presentation page describing the asset. The presentation page shows asset properties which depend on the asset type. For example, an image will show resolution, aspect ratio, and color space. A 3D object will show number of vertices. A scene will show aspect ratio, duration, and key, which can be full screen or overlay. If you want to share assets with other users, it is very important to build meaningful presentation pages. The next tab shows the revisions of the asset. I will explain the revision system in a moment. Under the next tab, we can share asset with others. You can give people read-only access to the presentation page by sending them this link. I click this button to copy the URL into the clipboard and then paste it into a web browser. Here you can share assets with individual users or user groups, or here you can share assets in the public zone. The sharing system is explained in detail in another tutorial video. Let's look at the Properties tab. Here you can see the asset properties. You can download a Viz archive containing the asset by clicking here, or copy a link to this file here. Under System Information you can find the size of the asset, the Viz location, the Graphics Hub UUID, the checksum, and modification and creation date. The Plugin tab shows you the Viz plugins used by the asset. The left column is the plugin version number the asset was uploaded with, and the right column shows the plugins you have installed right now. Missing plugins or version mismatch will be highlighted in this list. Now I want to show how the revision system works. I will upload the scene to MediaStorm. Every time an asset is uploaded, a new revision is created. Here we see this asset with one revision. I change the color of the scene and upload it again. Now we see two revisions. Let's create a third one. The revision list has now 3 entries. I see the revision number, the thumbnail of the asset, date and time of the upload, and the user who created the revision. In this field you can add notes to describe the revision. The toolbar allows to open the property editors of this revision and to restore or delete the revision. Restoring a revision means to copy this version of the asset to the top of the revision stack. Revision 4 is a copy of revision 2. The top revision on the stack is the version you get when you download the asset. When you delete a revision, it is gone forever. Use the delete function with care. Viewing a revision will take me to the asset property editor. I am seeing the presentation page of the asset of revision 2. I can download this version of the asset without restoring the revision by clicking the download button. The revision system helps you to track the changes of an asset, and as long as you don't delete revisions, you will not lose any data. That concludes my presentation. Thank you.